Every month, ShelfSpace builds a stack of credit memos from your own sales data. Before a single one reaches a vendor, it's yours to review. Here's how to check them and send them with confidence. Every month, ShelfSpace drops a fresh set of credit memos right here in your drafts, one for each vendor you're owed money from. Think of this as your review desk. Nothing here has gone anywhere yet. Not a single vendor has seen these. They wait until you say they're ready. Start with the number at the top. This is everything you're about to ask this month's vendors for, and it's already broken out by source, so you can see how much comes from customer returns, how much from waste, how much from promotions, and how much from aged inventory. One glance tells you the shape of the whole ask. Below that, every draft on its own line, the vendor, the month, and the credit total. This is your gut check pass. Run your eye down the amounts, and if one looks bigger than a vendor's whole month could explain, that's your cue to open it up and look closer. So let's do exactly that. Click any draft, and the full credit memo opens up. No mystery, no black box. Everything sitting behind that single number is right here, laid out for you line by line. Here's what makes these credits defensible. Every line traces back to a specific package, the quantity, what it cost you, and the exact credit you're claiming. It all came straight from your own point of sale and metric data. So when a vendor asks where a number came from, you've already got the receipts. And if something does look off, you're in control. You can adjust an amount right here before it ever goes out, or if a whole draft doesn't belong, delete it back on your list. Sending is a deliberate step. Nothing reaches a vendor until you decide it's ready. Once your drafts check out, sending them is the easy part. So head back to your list, and here's a small habit that pays off every month. Instead of sending them one at a time, select the whole month at once. Then a single click sends every draft together, which means all your vendors' review windows open on the same day. That alone makes the month far easier to track, and the moment you send, the clock starts. So what actually lands on the vendor's side? An email with the credit memo as a PDF and a secure link to review every line for themselves. From there, it's their call. Approve it in full, approve part of it, or push back, all within the review window that just started. And that's the whole rhythm. Open each draft, make sure the numbers hold up, then send the month as one clean batch. A documented, defensible ask out the door, every dollar of it backed by data you already had.